Good afternoon, everybody. This is the Balloon Bandit Amusement with a Twist, and today we're making simple balloon animals for beginners. So, balloon animals for beginners is what we're doing, and this is the Balloon Bandit of Amusement with a Twist, and we are going to be making a simple uh, fairy wand. So, I'm going to need white, and I'm going to use yellow. I have two yellow. I only believe I only need one, but on the off chance I needed an extra one, I have it with me already. So we're going to get started making the fairy wand. And it's really, really simple, easy design. And we're only going to want to go up to what is about 10 fingers off the nipple. We want to leave a lot of extra because this one uses quite a few simple twists, but the air will progress to the other end of the balloon. So at least 10 fingers off the nipple for this design. Squeeze it down. And we're going to start with a 4-finger bubble, followed by an ear twist, followed by a lock twist, followed by a 4-finger bubble, followed by a ear twist, followed by a lock twist, followed by a 4-petal or 4-finger bubble, followed by an ear twist. And as you can see, I ran out of balloon, so we're going to have to add the second one. I wasn't sure. It had been a while since I had made the wand. So we'll break off our extra. And remember to tie it or wrap it off in order to keep the design from deflating. Okay, so we have our 3. We actually need 5 in order to finish the fairy wand. So it's going to be a 4-finger bubble, followed by an ear twist. Pull out when twisting the ear twist. Lock twist. Tuck it in. Now you can either tuck it in now or tuck it in later. I tuck it in now in order to know if it's going to pop prior to me getting to the next bubble or not. And basically all you want to do is you want to roll it in there. You don't want to force it in there. Okay, so now we have 4. And we need one more. So we need a 4-finger bubble, followed by an ear twist, followed by a lock twist. And in order to do the last one, just take your balloon and roll it right on through there. There you go. And with that said, you can break it off, and it's already been locked into there, so you could actually just let it go. I like to tie it off myself. Okay, and with that said, we have our star for the top of our wand. And you can turn your ear twist any way you want. I have mine all facing out like points. You could also turn them lengthwise to be with the design itself. It really is all your choice how you want your star to look. Next, what we want to do is we want to add our wand. With this one, you can go as far as like 14 off the nipple, because all we're going to do is tie it on and then we're going to break off the extra. So we're just going to take it, set it against the design, and then just wrap our knot right through the design, and then come back and roll it around once or twice in order to tighten that connection between the two balloons. Reposition our star. And if these are setting too high up, what you can do is you can spread the bubbles. You just spread the bubbles and basically push it down so that the white one goes in between it. I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. Basically, it's pulling out on your bubble so that the star is in a more downward fashion. Okay, and then the stick of your wand is however long you want it to be. I usually don't go any longer than my arm for my sticks. You can make them as long as you want. You can leave on the extra if you really wanted. It's your choice. But this is a simple fairy wand. Okay, and again, this is balloon twisting for beginners. This is a really simple, easy design for anybody. Kids, adults, and a really great starter one. Great for restaurant work if you're doing restaurants because it is simple and fast to make. Okay, with that said, it's ear twist, double bubble lock twist all the way around for 5 sets. And just a regular stick out the other end. Okay, so really simple design, and I hope you've enjoyed this collection of balloon animals for beginners. Okay, so take care, be safe till next time, and remember to catch us on Monday. We're doing the Good Dinosaur. So have a great one. Enjoy. Take care. Bye.